Are you thinking of starting a dog breeding business in 2023? Dog breeding is an increasingly popular small business that has been growing in popularity over the years. It requires great knowledge, care and dedication to ensure that the puppies are healthy and happy. For those looking to start a dog breeding business, there are many considerations to take into account. From understanding the laws and regulations around dog breeding to finding the right breeders and ensuring quality standards are met, there is a lot of work involved in setting up a successful dog breeding business. With careful planning and research, however, it can be a rewarding venture for any entrepreneur like one of our friends is doing now.